Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator again. This is episode 4, and I'm going to try and make it as far as possible. So basically, if you've been enjoying the series, just comment down below what I should do next. Time to claim this. I'm trying to get quick, but I forgot what it's called. I believe it's like Comet Strike or something. My quests are... Okay, so time to go say hi to the Beesmith guy. Hi there. Yes, it's me, Magical. I've arrived to Magic Bees. It's snowing in the... Okay, this will be pretty easy. Beesmith Summer starts. Clover. Oh my gosh, the rake is like the worst thing, but whatever. If I remember correctly, the vacuum is still... Ugh, oh my gosh, I hate when this happens. I'm usually used to like having the boots and stuff. Quit. Should I get that stuff? Yeah, sure, why not? Helmet. Sure. Sure. I'm a little faster now, so red pollen would be over here. Get a hole in one in any field. Okay, I'll also do that one. I just need I wish I could unlock the next shop already. Okay, collecting snowflakes, but now... sorry I'm in the OG. I'm not. I don't know about any of the zombie stuff. Bumblebee, are they blind or? Black bear. Where do you find these zombies? Okay, whatever. Where even is the pineapple picking? Oh, come on. Okay, whatever. Obtain 50 treats to give to mother bear. Obtain 25 strawberries to give to mother bear. Defeat 5 spiders. Defeat 50 zombies. Obtain 50 snowflakes. Obtain 10 stingers. 10 tokens from leaves. Okay. I know the pollen container's full. Okay, 10 tokens from leaves. Ten tokens. Where are those 10 tokens? Sorry about that. Okay, Black Bear. Okay, guys, I'll try to finish one last quest. Strawberries. I guess I need to go to the strawberry field. Or I can get the trees from here. Oh my gosh, 50 treats. That'll take a while, so I'll do that, but okay, I'm gonna get 50 treats. I'm gonna get the treats for both, and then I'll just see from there, okay? So that'll be in the next video, but I'll complete the treats, and since I don't really like the games, I'll complete those too, so that'll be all for this video, and that's just it. I'll just get the treats, and so yeah, see you all in the next video.